Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a brand new video. Today's video I will show you how can you get rid of the Memu player ads. This is very annoying. Whenever you open the Memu player, it gives you a ad, and if your computer sound is little higher, then it makes a very high noise, very high sound. So this is a very problem. I don't want any sound here. Not, I think you guys also do not want any sound. Something like when you open Memu player, just wait a little bit and it will pop up a huge ad with a sound. See?
Hey, I'm talking to you.
Wow.
Give you $200.
Yeah.
Damn.
I don't know this is real or not, so we don't want to see any kind of ad. So this is very annoying. So today I will show you how can you turn off or skip this ad. So first of all, you have to right click on the Free Fire, right click and send to create a PC shortcut. Click here and click on OK. So now you can close Memu player, and here you can see we have a Free Fire shortcut on the desktop. Just simply drag it on the taskbar and you can delete this. Now if you open Free Fire from your taskbar, it will not give you the ads. It will skip the ads page and directly open the Free Fire game. So have a look. See, directly opening Free Fire, no ads, no home screen. So these ads built in by Memu launcher, the emulator launcher which called Memu launcher. So you cannot fix it any other way, so you have to skip it using this method. So that's all for today guys. Hope you like the video and see you in the next one.